sorry, no.
You're on that side.
Oh, it's very what are you doing?
Yes! Oh, crikey.
What just happened, Louise?
Well, I was just going to play the voice recorder on the side, and as I did, the lights went out and I got touched on the back of my neck.
With like someone was
Like
pushing
someone
you?
was... No, it was more like I'm here kind of tingly touch. Not a intimidating one at all, it was just... Oh.
Are you going to try that again then?
No, I'm not. Yeah, I am.
Let's place it on then and see what we get.
Okay.
So we're placing a voice recorder over the hearth, traditionally the centre point of any building, and this is the oldest part of this building, 16th century in. What are you feeling now? Do you know who was touching you there?
Yeah, I'm strongly picking up on a Victorian lady.
Victoria. Okay. Can you see what she's wearing, or?
Yeah, it's a long gown with a bonnet. She's got like dirty blonde hair.
Okay, so that's coming out from her bonnet.
Yeah,
And what kind of
she's
colour
quite
is the
long.
gown?
Just like a creamy kind of magnolia colour.
Oh right.
But it's not clean. It's very it's been through the wars. This clothing.
So it's a well used. So does she seem like a working lady or someone that would
Oh, she's definitely a working lady.
working here?
Oh,
Or
well, kind of.
okay, I understand now.
Woman of ill repute.
One of the night, shall
So
we
is she
say?
quite a young lady or older?
She is around late 20s, early 30s.
Is that how old she looks or how old you know her to be?
That's how she looks to me.
So she could be even younger
Or older.
or older.
But she spent a lot of time. She's actually stood here.
Just right next to us now.
Yes, right here.
So we feel it. Actually try that.
Oh yeah, you can feel it.
It's temperature change. Just here. And
Yeah.
it feels like a breeze just at this point. Now, this is the centre of the room. There's no reason for it to be a breeze there. Not here. It's just at that point.
Yeah,
That's
it's
great.
a lot. I mean, I know the fire's still lit, but
Okay.
so this lady spent most of her money, which she earned, in here drinking. But when she wasn't, she was out on the roadsides waiting for horses and cars and working men to come back, or basically to get drunk in the pub.
So this,
So they'd pay her.
and where
a
we're
bit of
at
fun.
here, we're at almost a crossroads in the middle of the moorland, which is between quite major towns. Especially if we're going back to the Victorian kind of town,
Yeah.
there's quite heavy industry around this area. So we've got kind of over towards Keighley and Bradford. On the other side, we'll kind of go across to Lancashire, kind of going that way, and then we'll go across to Hepton Bridge and Halifax.
So you would have had a lot of traffic.
Yes.
This would be one of your major roads, wouldn't it, to get anywhere?
Yeah. It's all the kind of the woolen industry with its highlands. We've got a lot of people coming past.
There was something to do with a head injury as well.
A head injury
Yes.
on this lady or
This
something
lady,
different?
this lady had a head injury.
Do you think that's how she
And
died?
it's on her right hand side. And I don't know if someone pushed her or she fell, but it was something to do with it was like a rock.
Outside here?
Yes. And it's not pretty. Let's just put it that way.
Did she die at that spot?
She got brought in.
So she died in here?
She died in here in front of his fire.
So do you know how she was hit? Was it by a cart coming past? Was it just slipping, falling? Did
I
someone
don't
push
know,
her?
she's not telling me. She's not
So
telling me.
either she doesn't want to tell us,
Yeah.
or
She's not. No.
just as you started saying that, the wind just really picked up outside. I think. Suddenly noises just started up behind us. That doesn't sound like the wind actually. Okay, so you said she was standing right here. Is she still here with us now?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to see if we can get a reading from this. We're going to go back to the K2 meter. She's given us some quite good readings so far. That one as well?
I have.
Move closer over.
I got the name Emily.
That's her name?
I'm not sure because she's telling me she's looking for Emily.
So not her, is that her daughter? Or relative? Someone that works here?
Don't know. She's just telling me she's looking for Emily.
Unless one of our crew is related to an Emily. Does it feel like that? Or does it definitely feel linked to her?
It definitely feels linked to this place.
Are you looking for Emily? Do you think Emily is around here? Is Emily in this building? Do you see Emily sometimes?
If the Victorian lady is around, can you step forward? Come contact us, we're not here to harm you. We only want to talk. You could tell us your story. Tell us about your life.
Okay. If you look down on the floor there, with the laser grid over the floor, this is what I was hoping to see with it. Have you noticed there's a darker area just around where that K2 is? Those lights seem to be going darker just in that spot.
Yeah, that's a bit strange, isn't it?
Like there's something blocking out those lights there. Yeah, and when the next line come down, it's the same thing happening there.
I think we're going to struggle getting anything on electronic equipment. I think we should go back to basics and try something like a yes-no table.
Okay, try a
And see if
table and
we
we'll see
can-
what we get out of this.
See if we can get communicating via that.
Fantastic, let's have a go at that.
Okay.